Ever found yourself tangled in the web of Bitcoin transactions, wishing for a simpler, more private way to manage your digital assets? What if I told you there's a specific type of wallet designed to enhance your privacy when dealing with Bitcoin? We're diving deep today into the world of Bitcoin Beam wallets. Now, before we get ahead of ourselves, it's crucial to clarify something right off the bat. When we talk about a Bitcoin Beam wallet, we're not actually talking about a wallet that holds the cryptocurrency Bitcoin, BTC, directly. Instead, Beam refers to a specific privacy-focused cryptocurrency that utilizes the Mimblewimble protocol. This protocol is renowned for its confidential transactions, where the amounts and identities of participants are obscured. So, the question in the title, "What is the price of BTC Beam Wallet?" is a bit of a misnomer. There isn't a wallet specifically called a BTC Beam Wallet that you can buy. Wallets are typically software or hardware tools that allow you to interact with a blockchain, sending and receiving cryptocurrencies and managing your private keys. The cost associated with a crypto wallet usually comes in a few forms. Firstly, many software wallets, especially those for desktop or mobile, are completely free to download and use. These wallets provide a user-friendly interface to manage your crypto. Examples include popular Bitcoin wallets like Electrum or mobile wallets like Trust Wallet. These don't have a direct purchase price. Secondly, there are hardware wallets. These are physical devices that store your private keys offline, offering a higher level of security compared to software wallets. Think of brands like Ledger or Trezor. These devices do have a purchase price, ranging from around $50 to upwards of $300, depending on the model and its features. However, these hardware wallets typically support a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, but they aren't specifically a BTC Beam wallet because they don't deal with the Beam cryptocurrency. Thirdly, when we consider the Beam aspect, we need to look at wallets that support the Beam cryptocurrency. Beam has its own set of official and community-developed wallets for desktop, mobile, and even command line interfaces. These Beam wallets are generally free to download and use, similar to most software wallets for other cryptocurrencies. You don't pay a price to acquire the Beam wallet software itself. Perhaps the confusion arises from the desire for enhanced privacy when dealing with Bitcoin. While there isn't a BTC Beam wallet, it's worth noting that there are ways to enhance your Bitcoin transaction privacy through various techniques and tools. These might involve using CoinJoin services, which mix your Bitcoin with other users' transactions to obscure the origin, or exploring privacy-focused Bitcoin implementations like Wasabi Wallet, which integrates CoinJoin features. These tools are generally software and don't have a direct purchase price beyond potential transaction fees associated with the privacy-enhancing services. Therefore, to reiterate, there isn't a specific product called a BTC Beam Wallet with a price tag. You have free Bitcoin software wallets, priced Bitcoin hardware wallets that support Bitcoin among other coins, and free Beam wallets for managing the Beam cryptocurrency. If your primary interest lies in Bitcoin privacy, exploring software wallets with built-in privacy features or understanding privacy-enhancing techniques within the Bitcoin ecosystem would be the more relevant path. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.